How are you feeling, guys? I hope you are in healthy condition and always happy and keep spirit at home. Okay, now we are going to learn about multiplying. But don't forget to say Basmalah before we start our lesson. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Here we go. We are going to learn about multiplying. How to multiply the numbers. First, I will give an example about multiplying by a one-digit number. For example, 36 multiplied by 3 equals. How to solve this question? First, we have to make a form like 36 times 3. We have to place 3 under the 6. Why? Because 36 is tens. Do you remember about ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s? If you remember, it can be easy. Why 3 placed under the 6? Because 3 stand for ones, and from 36 the ones is 6. So we have to make a position for ones, and of course this is for tens. So we make a line. This is for ones and this is for tens. So you have to place 3 under the 6 because both of them are ones. After this, first step, we have to multiply 3 by 6. We have to multiply 3 by 6. We always start from the ones. Okay, 3 times 6 equals 18, right? Equals 18. But this is for the ones position. From 18, the ones is 8, right? So we have to place 8 under the 3 in the ones position. Okay, so we can erase the 8. We still keep the 1. After this, the second step, we have to multiply the 3 by 3. 3 times 3 equals 9. Good. But don't forget, we have still 1. So after we multiply 3 by 3 equals 9, we have to add 1. So 9 add by 1 equals 10. But don't forget to make it under the 3. The ones, the tens and the hundreds. Okay, so 36 multiplied by 3 equals 108. So easy, right? Okay, this example is about multiplying by a one-digit number. So how to solve multiplying by a two-digit number, miss? Okay, I will give another example. Okay, this is multiplying by a one digit number. And here multiplying by a two digit number. So for example, I have a number, how about 18? 18 multiplied by 25 equals. So how we solve this multiplying by a two-digit number? The step is same with the multiplying by a one-digit number, but it is longer way than multiplying by a one-digit number. So we have to make a form like this: 18 multiplied by 25. Okay. If I write 18 multiplied by 25 like this, is it correct or not? Yes, this is incorrect. Why? Because remember the ones, the tens. The ones from 18 is 8, and the ones from 25 is 5. So you have to make it in the same position. And then the tens of 18 is 1, and the tens of 25 is 2. So 2, you have to place 2 under the 1. Okay. So make a line and symbol, of course, multiply. And then first you have to focus in the below number, or focus in the below number 25. But first of all, we have to focus on the 5, on the ones number. The ones in the 25 is 5, so we have to focus and add 5 first. First again. First 5, of course, multiply by 8. 5 times 8, 40, right? 40. But this is the ones position, so we have to place 0 here. Good. Erase 0, and we still have 4. And then after we multiply 5 by 8, we multiply 5 by 1. Okay. 5 times 1 equals 5. And then don't forget 2 plus 4. So 5 plus 4 equals 9. After we finish with the 5, we move to the 2. We move to the tens. The tens of 25 is 2. So 2 times 8 equals 16. We have 16. 16. Remember, because 2 is 10 for 10, so this line it's gonna be tens first. So the 10, we have to write the last number 6, so we have to write the 6 here. No here, yeah, because this is the ones position. Because 2 is the tens position, so 6, you have to place 6 in the tens position. Erase the 6. We have still 1, and then after this we multiply 2 by 1. 2 times 1 equals 2, and then plus 1, 3. You can write 3 in front of the 6. So make a line. How about the symbol in here? After we multiply, the symbol here is addition, plus. So because there is no number here, so you have to write same number, 0. And then 9 plus 6 equals 14, 4, and write 1 here. 1 plus 3 is 4. So 18 multiplied by 25 equals 440. It's so easy, right? Okay, another example. How to solve if the number is bigger, miss? Okay, I will give an example about multiplying by a one-digit number, but the number is bigger than the previous example. So, if I have 420 multiplied by 6, okay, equals, and for solve this question, the step is same with the smaller number. We have to make a form 420, so 6 place under the 0, and then make a line, the symbol of course to multiply. And then first you have to multiply 6 by 0. So 6 times 0 equals 0. Every number times by 0, always the result is 0. And the second step, multiply 6 by 2. 6 times 2 equals 12. So we have 12. So put the last number. So put 2 in the tens position. Erase 2. We still have 1. And then the last step, multiply 6 by 4. Okay, you have to multiply from the right to the left. Okay, so 6 times 4, 24. But don't forget, we still have 1. So 24 plus 1, it is 25. So put 25 in front of the 2. Okay, so 420 multiplied by 6 equals 2520. It's so easy. If this example is multiplying by a one-digit number, now I will give an example, the bigger number, of course, multiplying by a two-digit number. So if I have 318, I will separate this. Okay, 318 multiplied by 16 equals, the steps are same. Okay, so make a form 318. 16 you have to place from the right, yeah. So 6 in the ones position and 1 in the 10th position. So place 16 here, make a line, symbol multiply. First, don't forget, first we have to focus in the below number, in the 16. And first at all, we focus to the 6. Okay, focus to the 6 first. 6 multiplied by 8 equals 48. 48, so place 8 here, erase it, and we still have 4. And then still focus to the 6. So after we multiply 6 by 8, so we have to multiply 6 by 1. 6 times 1 equals 1, and then don't forget plus 4. 6 plus 4 equals 10. Good. Okay, 10. Put 0 here. Just 0. Just put the last number of this. So 0, you can erase 0. And then we have still 1. And still 6. We have to multiply 6 by 3. Remember, from right to the left. Okay. 6 times 3 equals 18. But we have still 1. So 18 plus 1 equals 19. Put it in front of the 0. Okay. After we finish of the 6, we have to move to 1. Always multiply from the right to the left. So first we have to multiply 1 by 8. 1 times 8 is 8. Good. But remember, 1 is in the tens position, so you have to put 8 under the 0 in the tens position. Okay. And then multiply 1 by 1. Good. So 1 by 1 multiplied by 1, 1. After that, we multiply 1 by 3. 1 times 3 equals 3. Put it in the front of the 1. Make a line. The symbol is addition, is plus. So 8, because there is no number, so you have to write 8. 0 plus 8, 8. 9 plus 1, 10. Good. So you have to write a 0 and 1 here. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 3, 5. So 318 multiplied by 16 equals 5088. It's so easy. There are some cases in multiplying by a two-digit number. For example, 60 is easier than the previous example I've shared. So you don't need to make a form like previous example, but you just keep the 0 first. How many 0 here? Yeah, just 1 0 here. Okay, we keep the 0 first. After we keep the 0, we multiply the 63 by 1. 63 multiplied by 1 equals 63. Of course, 63. Just right here. And because we have 1 0, just write 1 0 after 63. And this is the answer. So very easy. Another example. 60 multiplied by 40. Okay, first we keep the 0. How many 0 here? 2, right? So we have 2 0 here. After we keep the zeros, multiply the 6 by 4. 6 times 4 equals 24. Right? And there are 2 0. You can write 2 0 after 24. So here's the answer. That's all my explanation about multiplying. I hope you understand and be able to solve all questions about multiplying. But if you don't understand, you can comment. But don't forget, subscribe and like. Let's say Hamdallah together. Alhamdulillah ya Rabbil Alamin. See you on my next video. Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.